So welcome back, and today in the session 3 of playing with numbers for class 6 we are going to do the topic of test for divisibility. Now let us first understand what is divisibility. कोई भी एक नंबर, मान लो a एक नंबर है, अगर ये b से कंप्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाए, a एक नंबर है, मान लो जैसे 6 एक नंबर है, ये अगर 2 से कंप्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाए तो हम बोलेंगे कि 6 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. 6 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. और जब मैं कंप्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाए के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं तो देन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि रिमाइंडर विल बी 0. होता है ना, 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, देन द रिमाइंडर बिकम्स 0. So that is divisible. 6 is divisible by 2. Now what is divisibility? Divisibility is testing whether this number is divisible by this. What is that? So divisibility is testing whether this number is divisible by this. So the first thing that we'll start with is divisibility by 2, checking whether a given number is divisible by 2. Very easy. Let's say you have been given a number 422. Another number, let us take 401. So what you have to do to check whether this number is divisible by 2, just check the unit place. Check the unit place. In this case the unit place is 2, in this case the unit place is 1. So if the unit place is divisible by 2, if the unit place is divisible by 2, so what are the numbers that are divisible by 2 at unit place? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If you find any of these numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the unit place of a given number, then it is divisible by 2. Unlike in this case we have 1 which is not divisible by 2, hence this entire number is not divisible by 2. That's the process of identifying whether a number is divisible by 2. So this is divisibility by 2 if the digit in the unit place, if in the digit in the unit place is divisible by 2, is divisible by 2, we will say the number is, given number is divisible by 2. Hopefully it is clear. Now let us see what is divisibility by 3. 4, 7, 4, 4, 2, 4. Two numbers are there. So in divisibility of 3, what you have to do is you have to add all these numbers. You have to add all these numbers. 4 plus 7 plus 4. So it is 15. 4 plus 2 plus 4. It is 10. If the added number is divisible by 3, if the added number is divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. Like in this case 15 is divisible by 3 because 3 5s are 15. So 474 is divisible by 3. But in this case 10 is not divisible by 3. So this entire number is not divisible by 3. So how do we find the divisibility by 3? If the sum of all the digits of the given number, if sum of all the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. The number is divisible by 3. Okay, moving next. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4, again it is easy. What you have to do, you have been given number 432, 421. You have to just check if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Like in this case 32 is divisible by 4, 4 8 ja 32. So this entire number will be divisible by 4, unlike this which is 21 is the last two digit number which is not divisible by 4. Alright, just one second. We'll Okay, so we just completed divisibility by 4. Now next, divisibility by 5. Given any number, let's say 425, 500, 304. So what you have to do, you have to check the unit place. सबसे लास्ट वाला यूनिट प्लेस चेक करना है. इफ द यूनिट प्लेस इज हैविंग 5 और 0, इफ द यूनिट प्लेस इज हैविंग ओनली 5 और 0, then the entire number is divisible by 5. Like in these two cases, 425 and 500, it is divisible by 5, but this is not divisible by 5 because the unit place is not 5 or 0, it is 4. Okay, now divisibility by 6. Divisible by 6 is like, let's say 432 one number is there, 422 one number is there. All right, so what you have to do, you have to do two different divisibility tests on it. Number one is you have to check whether the unit place is 2 or divisible by 2. मतलब divisibility of 2 you have to test. So in this number, as the unit place is 2, which is divisible by 2, so this entire number is divisible by 2. The second thing you have to check is, you have to check if this number is divisible by 3. Like 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, so 9 is divisible by 3. If both the 2 and 3 divisibility test holds true for this number, then we can say it is divisible by 6. मतलब ये कि ये जो नंबर दिया गया है, अगर इस नंबर में डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2 और डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 3 दोनों कर पा रहे हैं हम लोग, मतलब इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 एंड डिविजिबल बाय 3, देन वी कैन से द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 6. लेट अस see this example. Although we have 2 here, so this entire number is divisible by 2, but 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 6. That is how simple it is. Moving towards divisibility by 8, you will be given a number 6408, might be a number. So what you have to do here is, you have to check these last 3 numbers. If the last 3 numbers of the given number is divisible by 8, if the last 3 numbers of the given number is divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8. जैसे कि यहाँ पे 408 है ना, let us check if it is divisible by 8. 8 5 जा 40, and then we have 8, 8 1 ja 8 0, so 408 is divisible by 8, so 6408 will be divisible by 8. I hope that is clear. Now let us see divisibility by 9. Again it is similar to divisibility of 3. 673, let's say a number is there, so what you have to check, you have to add all these numbers. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. 16 is not divisible by 9. As 16 is not divisible by 9, this entire number is not divisible by 9. But on the other hand, if we had 675, so 675, what it yields is 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. So this entire number that is given is divisible by 9. Clear? Now let us check the divisibility by 10. Quite easy. If the unit place is 0, if and only if the unit place is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. जैसे कि 40 यूनिट प्लेस 0 है, लेकिन 451 यूनिट प्लेस तो 0 नहीं है, so it cannot be divided by 10, and it can be divided by 10 but it is not completely divisible by 10. But this number 40 is divisible by 10. Simple. Divisibility by 11. Here you have to do 2 steps. You have been given a number, let's say 14145, and you will be asked to find whether it is divisible by 11. So क्या करना, तुम लोग लास्ट से नंबरिंग करना स्टार्ट करना. जैसे कि ये नंबर 1 है, ये सेकंड पोजीशन पे, ये थर्ड पोजीशन पे, ये फोर्थ पोजीशन पे, ये फिफ्थ पोजीशन पे. कर लिए. नेक्स्ट व्हाट यू डू, मेक द सम ऑफ ऑल द नंबर्स इन द ऑड प्लेसेस. ऑड प्लेसेस में कौन कौन से नंबर है? 5 1 और 1, 5 1 और 1. इवन प्लेसेस में कौन कौन से नंबर हैं? 4 और 4, 8. ये आ गया 5 6 7, ये 7 है, ये 8 है. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 7 और 8 का डिफरेंस 1 आएगा. यहाँ तक आपको काम करना है. अगर ये जो डिफरेंस है, इफ़ द डिफरेंस दैट यू गॉट हियर इज 0 or divisible by 11, 0 or divisible by 11, then you could have said that this number is divisible by 11. Like I will give you an assignment, you have to do 1 4 2 4 5. This number you have to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. I will repeat the step. Start from the unit place, give a number 1 2 3 4 5, take all the odd place digits जैसे कि 5 1 1, add them, we have added them. उसके बाद all the even place digit 2 and 4, we have added it. Now find the difference of these numbers. So the difference of this number is 1, and if this difference is 0 or 11, 0 or divisible by 11, you can say that the entire number is divisible by 11. Alright, divisibility by 25. Divisibility by 25 is easy. Like for example, you have been given 625, 725. If this last two numbers is divisible by 25, if this last two number is divisible by 25, then you can say the number is divisible by 25. You have to check for the last two digit number. Alright, so next we have some of the general properties of divisibility. Property 1, if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. Example, 40 एक number है. So if this number is divisible by 8, we know 40 is divisible by 8. So if a number is divisible by another number, then the number is also divisible by the factors of the other number. मतलब जैसे इस नंबर के फैक्टर्स के साथ, इसके फैक्टर्स कौन कौन है? 2 हैं, 4 हैं, 8 हैं. तो अब देखो 40 2 से भी डिविजिबल है क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0 या इवन नंबर है. 4 से भी डिविजिबल है क्योंकि 4 10 जा 40, और 8 से भी डिविजिबल है. तो क्या कह रहा है? इफ अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय अनदर नंबर, इट इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय द फैक्टर्स ऑफ द अदर नंबर. ठीक है. इफ अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय ईच of the two or more co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं यहाँ पे 30 किस किस नंबर से डिविजिबल है? ऐसे तो बहुत सारे नंबर से डिविजिबल है, लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ लेते हैं कि 2 से डिविजिबल है और 3 से डिविजिबल है. 30 2 से भी डिविजिबल है और 3 से भी डिविजिबल है, और 2 और 3 को प्राइम है. 2 और 3 को प्राइम है. तो अब ये प्रॉपर्टी ये कह रहा है कि इस दोनों नंबर के प्रोडक्ट से भी ये डिविजिबल होगा. तो 2 और 3 का प्रोडक्ट क्या है? 6, और 30 जो है 6 से भी डिविजिबल है. इज इट क्लियर कि इफ अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 और मोर कोप्राइम नंबर्स, देन इट इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय देयर प्रोडक्ट. प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 3, इफ अ नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2 गिवन नंबर्स. जैसे एक नंबर लेते हैं 40 और एक नंबर लेते हैं 50. इफ अ नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2 गिवन नंबर्स, जैसे कि यहाँ पे इसका एक फैक्टर हो गया 2, इसका भी एक फैक्टर हो गया 2, सेम नंबर है. द नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस नंबर एंड द नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस नंबर, देन इट इज ऑल्सो द फैक्टर ऑफ देयर सम. मतलब इस दोनों के सम का भी वो फैक्टर होगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आ रहा है 90, तो 2 जो है वो 90 का भी फैक्टर है कि नहीं? क्योंकि 90 डिवाइड बाई 2 इज 45. नेक्स्ट इज इफ अ नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2 गिवन नंबर, विल टेक द सेम एग्जांपल 40 और 50 का, कि इसका भी फैक्टर 2 है, इसका भी फैक्टर 2 है. इफ अ नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 2 और मोर गिवन नंबर, देन इट इज फैक्टर ऑफ द डिफरेंस. अब इस दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या है? इस दोनों का डिफरेंस हमको पता है, इस दोनों का डिफरेंस 10 है. इन दोनों के डिफरेंस का भी वो फैक्टर होगा. ऑब्वियसली 2 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस 2 numbers as well, right? So determine whether a given number is prime or not. This is the next topic we are getting in. कोई भी एक नंबर आपको दे दिया है, मान लीजिए 405 दे दिया है, and then you have to find whether this number is a prime number or not. So you'll start dividing and start finding. यहाँ तो हमको पता है प्राइम नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे 5 है. मान लो मैं लेता हूँ एक नंबर 399 लेता हूँ, एक नंबर लिया मैं 399. एंड इसको फाइंड करना है वेदर इट इज अ प्राइम फैक्टर, वेदर इज अ प्राइम नंबर और नॉट. The simplest trick that you have to apply is find the nearest square of this number. Find the nearest square of this number. And I know 20th square is 400. This is what I know. So the nearest square of this number is 400. Now what you have to do, you try to divide this number with all the prime numbers below 20. What you have to do, divide this with all the prime numbers smaller than 20. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So you have to try dividing with these numbers, and if this number is not divisible by any of this number, then you can say it is a prime number. समझ में आया? First find a number, find a square number which is more than the given number. So we have found the square number which is more than the given number. Now it is square of 20. Take all the prime numbers that are lesser than the number whose square you have taken. So जैसे in this case 2, 3, all these I have taken. Now try to divide it with all these numbers. If it is divided by any of these numbers, it is not prime. If it is not divisible, it is prime. But here, as we know, 3 plus 9 is 12, 9 plus 12 plus 9 is 21. So we clearly know that it is divisible by 3. So this is not a prime number. I hope I'm making sense. You are getting the solution. Okay. याद रहा? So which of the following is prime? Let's say 137. 137 के पास नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर क्या है? 137 के नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है हमारे पास 12 का स्क्वायर, दैट इज 144. So you have to just check with the prime numbers below 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. You have to check with just these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prime numbers. If this number is not divisible by any of this, then you can say this is prime number. Similarly, you have to do with 161. जैसे 13 जा, you can take 13 into 13 is 169. So you have to take all the prime numbers below 13 and check if it is divisible by any of them. Moving to the next topic, we have prime factorization. Prime factorization, what is prime factorization? Factorization is finding the factors of a given number. A number is 20, you have to find all the factors of this number, like 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 10 is a factor, 20 is a factor. So this is called factorization, finding the factors, all the factors of the number. But what is prime factorization? Prime factorization is only finding the prime factors of this number. The type of factorization when all the factors are just prime numbers is called prime factorization. Because let's see, 20 we can represent in the form of 4 into 5. We can also represent it as 20 into 1. We can also represent it as 2 into 10. So there are many ways of representing it. But the only way in which you have all the factors prime, is called prime factorization. जैसे कि 20 को मैं अगर 2 से डिवाइड करूँ, 20 को अगर 2 से डिवाइड करूँ तो मेरे को मिल रहा है 10. वापस मैं अगर इसको 2 से डिवाइड करूँ मेरे को मिल रहा है 5. So 2 into 2 into 5, this will be the prime factorization of 20. 2 into 2 into 5 will be prime factorization of 20 because all the factors I have written as prime factors. All the factors I have written as prime factors. So that was what all about prime factorization. What is the property of prime factors? Every composite number can be factorized into prime factors in one and only one way except for the order of the factors. जैसे कि हम लोग 20 का एग्जाम्पल लिए थे. 20 का दुनिया में सिर्फ 3 ही, मतलब एक ही तरीके से प्राइम फैक्टरेशन किया जा सकता है. 3 ही फैक्टर्स आएंगे जो कि है 2, 2 और 5. ये 3 ही प्राइम फैक्टर्स आएंगे इसके प्राइम फैक्टरेशन में. यहाँ क्या बोल रहा है? प्राइम फैक्टर्स इन वन एंड ओनली वन वे एक्सेप्ट द ऑर्डर ऑफ द फैक्टर्स. एक्सेप्ट द ऑर्डर ऑफ द फैक्टर्स मतलब ऐसा भी हो सकता है 2 into 5 into 2 लिखूँ, लेकिन प्राइम फैक्टर्स तो बस इतने ही आएंगे, 2 to 2 और 1 5. दिस इज व्हाट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टरेशन सेज कि एवरी कंपोजिट नंबर, टेक एनी कंपोजिट नंबर इन द वर्ल्ड, इट कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स, कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स इन ओनली वन एंड ओनली वन वे एक्सेप्ट द ऑर्डर ऑफ द फैक्टर्स. मान लो 20 को मैं अभी प्राइम फैक्टरेशन करता 5 से स्टार्ट करता तो 5 4 जा 20 होता, फिर 2 2 आता, तो मैं 20 को क्या लिखता, 20 को लिखता 5 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. दिस ऑर्डर हैज चेंज्ड बट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स आर सेम, 5 2 2. That is what this property was talking about. All right, so we have completed this chapter here. We will see you in the next class. If you have any doubts, till then, bye, take care.